This is a 2006 Chevrolet HHR. This wagon has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Features include a folding second row, cruise control, full power accessories, a CD player, a security system, tinted glass, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, a rear window defroster, and a tilt steering wheel. Not to mention that this Chevrolet qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Thank you for considering Jerry Smith Kia for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. For additional information, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 1804 Iowa Street, just off the I-5. We look forward to serving you.